we're here talking about Toyon, Heteromeles arbutifolia, one of our more colorful native shrubs that you'll find in several plant environments on Santa Cruz Island, including chaparral, but also you'll find it even spread out in grasslands here and there, and coastal sage scrub. It's kind of gets around. Heteromeles is in the rose family, and this specimen here doesn't really have any of its telltale famous red berries on it yet. That usually happens as you get a little closer to winter time, and therefore it also picked up another one of its common names, Christmas holly. It isn't a true holly, but the leaves with their kind of serrated edges and those red berries give it a holly-like look. It was also a really useful plant to chew mash people. The berries are quite edible if cooked. You do need to cook them because otherwise they're toxic, but they ate them in great numbers, and the wood was used for a variety of uses as well. Very useful plant to the chew mash people and to Native Americans all around the state. Okay, so here's the flower buds on the Toyon. It's going to be coming out with white flowers here very, very soon. So you can imagine that as a late summer bloomer, and then eventually going into fruit. Here's some of the dried fruit on the Heteromeles. These were red berries at one time or another. And here is a leaf. I picked this leaf just because it does show the slight serration on here, and this is actually slightly, very slightly prickly if I run my hand on it just right. But for the most part, this is not a very serrated leaf on Heteromeles, but some individuals do have it a little bit, so that's where they kind of get the vaguely holly-like look to it. It's kind of slightly prickly.